Introducing Active Skin. Heal itself. So whether you're hiking, biking, or hitting up the playground, simply grab your Active Skin Repair spray and go.
Preparedness comes for me in multiple different facets. I don't ever want to be 10 miles offshore surfing some of the waves we surf down in Mexico and not have something I need. And being prepared with Active Skin Repair or the right leash or the correct wetsuit or life jacket for that instance is something that I rely on myself and my friends and partners and the public rely on. And that's why I always carry the Active Skin Repair and a second leash and extra life jackets and different things like that. It's something that's built into my personality, whether that's from lifeguarding and also growing up with a dad that's
I was trained when I was young, like if it's not burning and hurting really bad, then it's probably not killing anything. You know, with this product, it just feels like cool, soothing gel. And my kids love it, and I'm like, I kind of feel like super dad. Whether it's a cut, an insect bite, a rash, I just like, hey, come on here, let me put this on. And they're just like, whew, they just feel good. And most of the time the inflammation goes down, the redness around whatever they've done. And I'm just like, yeah, I took care of that problem.
Hey guys, I just got Active Skin Repair. It is an all-natural antibacterial spray. All you do is spray it on a small burn, rash, cut, even a sunburn. It's safe to use on your kids and even your pets. It's basically just salt and water, but with one amazing active ingredient called hypochlorous acid. White blood cells produce hypochlorous acid to promote healing in the body. So when you use Active Skin Repair, you actually recreate your body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. It does the work of 6 skin irritation products. Just throw it in your bag, purse, whatever, and you're good to go.
This stuff works like crazy. If you have any minor cuts, abrasions, irritations, chafing, rashes, sunburn, you need to try Active Skin Repair. This stuff is just incredible. It's basically just salt and water, but with one amazing active ingredient called hypochlorous acid. White blood cells produce hypochlorous acid to promote healing in the body. So when you use Active Skin Repair, you actually recreate your body's natural healing mechanism for your skin. It's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, made in America, medical grade, FDA cleared, clinically proven, safe for all ages, doctor recommended, endorsed by the National Eczema Association, and on and on. Honestly, this stuff is just so impressive. You just spray it on your skin, you let it do its thing. It's even safe to use around your mouth and your eyes, and even for pets. You just throw it in your bag, your purse, whatever, and you're good to go.